What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm playing more Fortnite Battle Royale. By the way, this is my first video on season 4, even though it's been like 2 or 3 days.
Super duper sick.
How many days it's been?
Um, this is the third day, I guess.
Yep, whatever. And we're
Yeah, but
dropping
it's
friendly
super duper
farms.
sick.
But the
Yep.
chests have been like low end, so my loot part isn't that good
Yeah.
now.
Oh, I still have my chest here.
And by the way, guys, I have the
Oh,
Art
that's
Tycoon
awesome.
skin.
I have Jennifer Walters.
Whatever.
Even I had the Tart Tycoon. I got like
He didn't want to
33
use it.
points in that.
No, there's no test. So I might have to twist and turn my loot path. There's some minis. I think there's a charge shotgun under me. Yup.
Let's go eliminate some bugs.
Dude, this season there's so many like not that good
Yeah,
people.
there's like so many AIs.
No, there's some real people as well who are like not
Yeah.
that good.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
There's a person named Music Band in our friendship or whatever. And there's some people, he's like such a bot, and there's some people who plays better than him. Look, worse than him.
Just looting, I just have a charge.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill some people. I have a blue pump, I'm all set.
Guess I'm taking this. Dude, if you have like...
Okay, I don't think I'm set.
If you know how to use proper pump...
I am not set.
Come in, my friend.
I can't switch.
Okay.
I can't switch to my thing.
Where are you? I'm on the roof.
There's persons pickaxing me. They're shaking down. Well, they didn't fully get the okay. Oh, okay, one more.
Go,
Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Okay. Please don't take my blue pump.
Okay. I think this should be some minis.
Bro, my thing wouldn't change. I was like literally spamming to change my shockwaves, but it wouldn't change. Okay.
Oh, wait. Just gonna go reboot sneeze.
Yeah. Jennifer Walters is happy. And please give my
Blue pump.
my pump. Yep. That's my main thing for the lawsuit. The pump so I can kill the person whoever
Oh wait,
is very bad.
I got 15,000 XP. At this point, we're just trying to like gain XP. If you guys don't know.
Yeah. Okay, I missed it. You can go side grade. You can go side grade the charge to the pump.
We can?
Yeah.
Where's the upgrade bench?
I know it. I just
Supposed to be like
should be
just a bit outside the. Supposed to be somewhere here.
Yeah, there's somewhere over there. Why always from? Oh my god.
Dude, I have a big pot.
I also have I am currently drinking one.
I think there's an upgrade bench here. I'll go side grade it. Because pumps are way better.
The people?
Metal. Oh, person just got rebooted, dude.
Oh, what the frick?
Okay, I'll. Please don't get knocked.
God was really low. Oh, that person has the mythic weapons.
This season
Yeah,
with
that person
mythic
has the mythic
weapons aren't
weapons.
even like proper weapons. They're
I'm
like
gonna ram them.
whips kind of
Gamer
things.
Kampa.
I'm coming. I just leveled up. Oh, I even got a new music. Let's go
Gamer
around.
Kampa.
I just got a blue pump. Where are they?
Some, they're near the. I see. No,
Woo! That was sick. Where did he land? Okay, he landed right there.
there's a guy here. Ah!
I got one guy. Great,
What
there's a
the
blue pump
frick?
for this guy. Dude,
Whoa!
there's a blue pump
Why
here.
you leave the car?
Oh, I see him, I see him, I see him.
I am lit.
I see this guy. Hello. I got one guy. Hello. No! That guy had the mythic, but then I knocked out one more guy.
My
It's fine, we'll just go into another game.
yeah.
Who edits those?
Yeah.
First of all, you have to take time for editing. The second of all, you have to like even open the door.
Yeah. Guys, surely this round we are gonna get at least top 10.
Yep. I don't know about that.
Surely. There are so many more bots
Drop
and so many
frenzy.
more sweats
Drop
in this
frenzy.
season. Let's go Doom's Domain.
No, dude, I'm not going to use domain. It's like the most difficult place to be.
Okay,
Dude, if you like stay
let me-
here, you can literally see the whole
yeah.
ship. Wow.
Oh, a little.
Just glide.
Why is Coral Castle still there?
I don't know. Dude, frenzy
That
when
is
it
a
is
very
all
good.
drop though.
That's a very sick thing that the four pillars come.
Dude, Fortillers become different though.
Four? I never landed four pillars this season.
Or me. Wait, what is that?
That's a racetrack. It's called Modown.
I didn't know it was there.
Jennifer Walters will avenge or take revenge. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay. The main chest is
Dude,
not there in my loot.
okay, dude, there's no chest there. And stay with me, don't go somewhere and stuff. Oh, great,
I
I got
will
a pump.
pump you all the time.
There's an unsuspecting box.
There's literal no chest in my loot path.
I got all chests in my loot pot.
Okay, there's little one.
I got one guy.
Okay. There's two chests in my loot path. I have it. Oh my god. Oh my. So this, oh my god. Little, my. Okay, let's put it.
I'm gonna get 100.
That.
Dude, there's a guy right in front of me. But I don't care. Hello, my friend. Little fishy.
Combats
Yes.
are so bad nowadays.
Yeah, they're better in creative if you ask me.
No, they're not that good in creative.
Yeah, actually, bombs have become better.
TAC SMGs only like the voice has been
Yeah,
changed.
no, if you ask me, the suppressed SMGs are way better than that SMGs.
Oh my god, the police.
Oh, should we run to the circle?
We have time.
Because I have chilies.
I'll combat.
I have chilies.
Okay, that as well. I don't know which chests are there.
Dude, there's a green
Might
charge
be.
there in case you didn't look.
I have a combat.
Dude, charges are way better.
But let's take the combat. What is this? Scope assault rifle? This is not big scope. I mean, carry this. Maybe carry road.
Nope, I don't have inventory slots.
Um,
There's a green pump.
I have a purple. I have a blue combat. I'll stick to the blue combat. I don't want that. Rather me?
You don't want that?
Nah.
Dude, I have chilies, bro.
Give me one.
Got you.
Okay. I think we should do this one.
Yup. Oh, where are you?
Oh my god, the people.
Oh, there's people.
Hello, Mike.
Hello, friends. Okay, great.
Still okay. That's Arya, I guess. My god.
Got him. I got him like through the bush. Dude, there's another guy. Sneeze, let's take the chilies. One each.
Oh my god, I can't take that.
Sneeze, take the chili.
I don't want it. Let's take that. I'm gonna
Sneeze, take the chili. God, I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Eat it.
No.
Let's go. Just run, just run, just run. Run just straight into this like circle, right? What?
Okay. I'm very sad that the hunting rifles are wanted.
Yeah. They were great for like trick shots and stuff.
Yeah.
Hunting rifles were nice but short.
At least we can take them and create
Dude,
them.
you know the easiest way to get the chest out of a truck?
Just take this thing, drive the mud flat.
What?
There's a guy fishing.
And there's a quadrillion fishing rods here.
Is it real person? Oh, that person's moving.
What are you doing?
No.
Watch out.
Okay, I missed. Careful. Oh my god, it's a sweat. Why are they?
Oh god, I literally fell into. He boogieed me, and I fell into his porta fort. I literally fell into his porta fort.
What's that? Okay, fell.
Dude, this guy put me into this guy's porta fort. Yeet. Yeet. Where is he? Where is he? Dude, where is he? Oh no!
That one?
Dude, she's super low. No! There were two guys! Dude, this, I think, okay, great. Just kill her, just kill her, just kill her.
Where?
She just, she jumped down, she jumped down. Watch out.
Where revive you?
Watch out behind you, watch out.
Where?
Just run, just run, just run. Dude, just take the, like, water. Jump in the water.
Oh my god, I'm super low.
Jump in the water and go, I have 2 medkits.
Oh my. Oh!
Dude, there's
I
also
don't have
floppers here.
mats! I don't have mats!
Come in, come in, come in.
Oh my.
Watch out, there's a guy swimming.
Okay.
Okay.
So low.
Me too, even I'm out of mats. Literally chasing one guy. No!
low.
She's super low. The guy on top. These guys literally have such good coordination. Dude, she's one shot. She's one shot. I'm telling
I
you.
don't have mats!
Yes.
I don't have mats!
She's right there.
I don't have mats.
Watch out, watch out. She's right under you. Watch out. Behind you.
I didn't have
That's it for
mats!
today's video, guys. Bye.